Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar, I mean, we can't argue with the fact we're still in an uptrend. We're still within this channel. We are definitely still making higher lows. We definitely do not have engulfing down. We definitely do not have a break of structure down. For me personally, until I see a reason otherwise, I am definitely going to be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going up, especially if this really is a wave one, wave two, and we're possibly now in a wave three. We could have a lot of upside potential left. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely made a pretty impulsive move down throughout the Asian session. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. A lot of times tops do become bottoms, bottoms become tops. So we got a top right here, right around the 61%. What I would really like to see is I would like to see this thing make some sort of a three-way pullback like that, some sort of an ABC pattern. And then if we get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing up, a nice break on like the 1 hour time frame to the long side, that definitely is what I would be looking for my next entry to go long. Because of the higher roadmap time phase, I am definitely only looking for longs in an uptrend on around the 1 hour time frame and up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.